Hello and welcome back to Creo Parametric part modeling exercises for beginners. In this tutorial, we are going to make this model with the help of Creo Parametric 7.0. I'm in the sketch environment right now. You can create new one as well. Path solid, assign the proper name. Uncheck this to use the proper units, millimeters. Okay. We will make this flange first by 80 and the length is 120. Click on extrude, choose the proper plane and make it normal. Switch off the datum planes. Go for center rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. This is 120 and this is 80. I will hit OK and the thickness become 15. Define the thickness 15 for now and hit OK. See, this is ready. Next, what I can do, I can just do one thing to just make this upper portion of diameter 80. I will just choose this top surface. Add a circle like this and define 80. Hit OK. This becomes 20 and hit OK. To create this cutout of diameter 60, again choose this top surface and make it normal. Add a circle like this and define 60. Hit OK. Now this cutout becomes at 15. Define value of 15 and remove material. Go for smaller cutout of diameter 30. Choose this top surface and make it normal. Add a circle like this and define 30. Again remove material, flip the direction and say OK. Next time, what I can do, I can go for this side and add these flanges. The thickness becomes 20 and the height becomes 50 plus add 40, which becomes 90. So I will choose this top surface and make it normal. This time go for corner rectangle and add something like this. This becomes 20 and hit OK. Define the height 90 and hit OK. Now add some rounds. Click on round. Define the value 40 and choose this edge and this edge and say OK. Now what I can do, I can just select both of them and go for mirror, switch on the datum planes and choose this plane and hit OK. Switch off the datum planes. Now to go for this cutout of diameter 32, again I will choose this face, sketch on it and make the reference of this circle. See, draw a circle starting from here, define the value 32 and hit OK. Now I will just flip the direction and choose through all and hit OK. Now you have done with the part. To apply some appearance, click on appearance, choose red, select part and say OK. Now this time I will choose some surfaces like this and this and this, and I'll hit OK. See, and go for the standard orientation, and now you have done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.